We did a letter to the National Working Committee of our party, reminding them officially and of the provisions of our own constitution, which was violated, which was assaulted by that singular pronouncement. And we gave them a 14 days notice to go back to our constitution. This is an institution, as in the political party is an institution, and we must go through our rule books and we must follow protocols. Now, that said, we wrote officially that the 3 layers, the ward executives, local government, and the state executives, did a letter, and the evidences of those letters are, as we speak, before the court. And then we gave them 14 days notice to look through the decision which they claimed they made and reverse the decision. And so 14 days expired, and we now proceeded to brief our lawyers at that level. That's the 3 layers. We got lawyers at those instances to take care of each of the layers. And so as today, so a suit was actually filed sometime late December. And if you like, let me quote the suit number. It is suit number PAC/3592/CS/2023, and is currently lying before Justice SYMFONI of the State High Court. And some days ago, precisely on the 15th, the matter was heard for the first time, and an adjournment was taken, which is normal practice for parties to do necessary responses, and then the court will adopt the processes, and then possibly will not get a date for judgment. So that is where we are as per the legal tussle. Is all about getting the court to actually interpret to us the letters of our constitution. Permit me to take you through the former constitution. We are thinking, and in fact, one of the reasons why we wrote officially was that maybe somebody at the National Secretariat was forgetting the fact that we had amended our party constitution. And so we thought maybe by virtue or by dint of clerical mistakes and all that, somebody might actually be referring to our former constitution without remembering, because we've had some changes, national chairman, secretary. So we were thinking, no, let's draw their attention so that they will not be making mistakes and causing the party a whole lot of embarrassment. Because the truth is that this is actually embarrassing, that the party will not understand what our constitution says. Now, the former constitution actually does empower the National Working Committee to dissolve other layers beneath it. And you can find that in page 46 of the old constitution. It was amended in October 2014. So we speak with evidences. And I guess that the other persons who are laying claim to the leadership of our party structure cannot tell you authoritatively where they are deriving their powers from. Now, page 46, Article 13, sub 4, under the powers of the National Working Committee, paragraph XVI, that is paragraph 15, gives the National Working Committee, under our former party constitution, powers to do what they did, like in the case of Rivers State. Now, this is another of our constitution. Even the body of the constitution tells you that this is older than this. Now, this is the latest version of our party constitution, amended on the 26th day of March in 2022. If you look through it again, you see Article 13 again, sub 4. And now you have all the paragraphs from from the preamble of that paragraph or that section to paragraph I to 17 XVII. Nowhere in the entire 17 paragraphs does the National Working Committee have powers to dissolve elected executives.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.